Lawrence Mayowa Adeyemi on the line. Today I'm actually going to be introducing us to another app we can use in creating videos, we can use in editing videos, and which we can use for so many other things. So these particular apps is very crucial. In fact, most of the people that do video editing, they make use of this app. And these apps, guess what, it also has pro fashion. I have the pro fashion and I'm going to be using the pro fashion to teach us. The pro fashion, the only difference between the pro fashion and the main fashion is that the pro fashion has no restriction, while the normal fashion has restriction. There are so many things you wouldn't be able to use the normal fashion for, but pro fashion, you would use it as if you are the owner of the app, no restriction. So that is it. So here today I'm going to be introducing us to what I call Kinemaster. Kinemaster. Peradventure you do not have Kinemaster already, just go straight to your Play Store, click on your Play Store and write Kinemaster. Just try to locate it on your phone. This is Kinemaster. This is my own Kinemaster here. Just click on it. That is how it looks. Now let's wait for it to load. Now here on this Kinemaster, what we do now is that you go straight. This is new project. You want to create new projects. You want to create new projects. Just click on the create new projects. Click. After clicking on it, how do you want it? Is it you want it 6x9? Is it 9x16? Look at the way it's displaying. That is the way it will be showing your video. How do you want it to show? Let's say I want to make use of this one. You click on it. After clicking on it, then it takes you time. Can you see? Look at me down. What are those things? What are those things I want to bring? Okay, I want to bring my okay, let me look for one video. Let me say I want to bring out this particular video coming. I want to use this particular video. Is there anyone I still want to add? Let me just look for it. I want to add this coming. I want to add this photo. Okay, is there anything I still want to add? Yes, I would like to get this one added. Okay, that is all. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this side. Once I'm done, click on this side. Sorry, let me try to drag this. Now I click. After clicking, then it brings it. Let's just try to play. This is play here. Let's just try to play it first so that you know.
Hi, I welcome you to Lawrence Video
Sorry, play it.
Graphics. I am Lawrence Adeyemi by name. I do graphic design, video editing, and lots more.
Now, without wasting our time at all, now let's check that photo. Can you see? That's the photo. It's just showing that way. We've not edited it at all. Can you see? Now, let's say I don't want this thing. Okay, let me just try to start introducing us to it one after the other. Now, let me start from the layer here. Layer. Now, this layer, once you click on it, it will bring out some things. Can you see it's bringing out media, bringing out effects, bringing out sticker, bringing out text and writing. Now let's start from media. Click on it. Then it takes you, what are those things you want to import? What are those things you want to bring? Let's say I want to bring this particular one. This one is not the background. It will just show on the main video. Now when you click on it this way, where do you want to place it? Okay, let me say I want to place it here, this side. Can you see it? So you play it.
Hi, I welcome you to Lawrence Video Graphics. I am Lawrence Adeyemi.
Okay, let me click on it. This is the thing I just added. Let me click on it. Now I want to drag it. Is either you drag it front or you drag it here. Now I want to drag it so that it will be, or I want it to be very short. Now, okay. Now me click play again.
Hi, I welcome you.
So that is, you can actually import anything through this media. The second one is effects. Now effects is actually going to tell you what are those things you want to add that to this video. Now click on this side. After clicking on it, then it displays. Can you see what is displaying? Let me say I'm using this one. Let's now go back to know what this one is all about. Go back. Let's play.
Hi, I welcome you to Lawrence Video Graphics.
Can you see the kind of effect it's giving it? Can you see the kind of effect this thing is actually giving it? Now let me just try to go to that effect again. Let me say I want to change it to this. Okay, I want to change it to this one. You click on it. So that is that about effects. That is that about effects. Now the next one is sticker. Click on sticker. Which sticker do you want to bring? Do you have any? Do you want to bring this one? Let me try to delete this thing. Now this is delete here. This one, this is delete. Now let me go to sticker. Now which sticker do I want to add? There are different stickers you want to add here. Okay, you want this one to be here. So that is that about sticker. The next one is text. What text do you want to add? Okay, I want to add Lawrence Video Graphics. Click OK. Where do you want to place it? Increase the size, reduce it, increase it. Where do you actually want to place it? I want to place it there. You want it to go like this. So for that one you use this one. So that is, then you want to give it color. You would save color here. Now let me start from this one. This is edit. You want to edit what you have written already. You still want to add something to it. This is font. Which font do you want to give it? Just like the normal way we edit something. Now the next one is trim. How do you want it to be? Now the next one, let's go to this animation. In animation, how do you want it to come in? How exactly do you want it to come in? Do you want it to come in this way? Now is it this way? Okay, by coming out that way, what do you want? You can look at this side. Is it that you want to delay it? So can you see different from the one, this one, and look at this one, look at this one. So you go back. Let's say you are done for in animation. This is the way you want it to be. Okay, now let's go to overall animation. This overall animation, after that, do you want it to be blinking as it's coming in? Do you want it to be doing like this as it's coming in? Do you want it to be floating as it's coming in? Go back. Then out animation, how do you want it to leave that place? Okay, is it by going that way? Is it by going up? So that is that's about that one. Now the next one is color. Which color do you actually want to give it? Let me click on this. This is the color. So alpha opacity, how do you want it to appear? Drag it down. Can you see? Can you see? Just like the normal editing. Most of us that actually went through my course on video on graphics design, I know this one you wouldn't have issue doing all these things. Now rotate or mirroring, click on it. Can you see how do you want it to rotate? Trying to rotate it. Okay, so that is that about that one. So that is that about that one. Rotate. Now blending, look at it. The opacity, screen, is it soft? Add light, lighting, color. So different opacity. Now after that, let's go to text option. Character, how do you want it to be? Is it like this? You want it to display this way? Is it this way? Okay, then is it line? So that is that. How do you want to underline it? You want it to go up, you want it to be at the center. So there are so many ways you want it, you can use that one for. Now the next one is, I think I've done that's text option. Outline. Now you enable the outline. How do you want it to be? So that is outline. Shadow, you want to give it a shadow. Can you see? That's about that one. Glow, you want to give it this. Can you see? So background color, which color do you want to give the background? So that about that one. Now another one I'm going to be training us on layer is handwriting. You can write something with your hand. Look at it, or you use recording. Now, yes, let's use handwriting. Okay, you can write anything. You probably want to sign. So that's about handwriting. So that about that one. That about layer. Now the next one is that of record. You can record anything. Let me click on it so that I show you. Now let's go and play it so that you see what we've done.
I welcome you to Lawrence.
Yes, you are welcome to Lawrence Video Graphics. Thank you very, very much.
Can we see? So that is the record. Now the next one is audio. Can you see this audio here? This audio here, once you click on it, you can actually import music. Just like the way I taught us from InShot, you can import music from here. Or they already have, look at it, you have songs here. If you have songs to add, let me say I want to add this one. I want to add this one. Then if you are okay with that, I click on this side. So after clicking on it, then the next thing you do is to back, then you play. Let's try to play so that you see. Okay, I've added it too much. Let me try to click one after the other and get it deleted. Now this is delete here. Let me delete this one as well. Sorry about that. Now the next thing, let me just play it. To actually reduce, I will teach us how to reduce the volume. This is volume. Okay, let's try to play it now. So there you can actually, clicking on it, you can actually do mixing, so many other things you can do using that one. Now the next one I'm going to be, then on that audio you can get their own music from them. Once you open your data, just click on get music, then it will bring you different forms of music you can actually get added. Now after that, now let's go to this media. Once you click on this media, now this one is actually different from the one you're actually importing. Just okay, let me click on one so that I will use it to explain. Okay, let me click on this one. I think we can see. Okay, let me use this one. Let me now try to import it again so that we know what I'm actually talking about. So if you actually display like that of the media, we are actually the first one we're talking about. So that is about all these ones over here. Then the next one I'm actually going to be talking about are these ones over here. What do we, let me start from the first one. Now you back, that one is back. Now if you want to go back to what you've been doing so far, what you just do is just click on it. So far you've saved it already. Now just click on it. Now let's go from here. Let me look at this one. Is it capture? Do you want to capture this side? So just like the way, just as if you want to screenshot, do you want to capture and add to the clip? Look at it here. You want to add it to the clip before normal one. So look at this one. This one is actually, if you want to look at everything you've added so far. So then we have this one as well. So you want to still move, sorry about that, you still want to move front. So that's it. So as we move on, you will actually get used to this Kinemaster. You will know how to make use of it very very well. So thank you very very much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.